Alright, this is my presentation for assignment 4. I'm going to start with the definitions. So this defines the number of customers, which is 5, and the number of resources they have, which is 4. Available is the number of resources available. The maximum checks the number of resources is the max for each customer. And then this is the allocation array that checks the allocation for each customer. And then the need array is how many resources are needed for each customer to reach the max. So these are just the functions. The main function is going to pretty much accept all the commands, parse the command line, the usage statement, all the statements telling us to, it's going to read the file. My file's name is max_demand. And then prompt the user to enter the commands for the request or the release, to display, to exit, and then ask us to enter the command. And then this is going to go through the request. It's either going to allow the system to save the request, or it's going to deny the request. And then this one will release the resources. So this is just going to read the max from the file that we have, and then it's going to set the allocation to 0. This is going to calculate the need for each customer. The need is the maximum minus the amount that's currently allocated. So if nothing's been allocated yet, the need should be the same as the maximum. And then the isSafe function is basically going to check if it's safe to save the resources that we allocated. This is the function to request the resources. This is the function to release the resources, and then this is the display state. This is what's gonna display the available resources, the max, the allocated, and then what we need. So I'll run the code here. Alright, so I named mine assignment 4 instead of the banker, but it'll be, and we'll do what was in the demo, or the assignment said to put in 10.5.7.8. And then I'll just show what we have that read what was in the file. So this is the maximum for customers 0 to 4. So there should be 5 customers. And then this is the resources, the 4 resources for customer 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we can request, I'll do a failed request first for customer 2. And I'll just do 9, 1, 2, 3, that should fail. Yeah, it's denied because the second resource is 0 and we can't go over it, so we'll do customer 2, 9. That should grant it. And we'll check, see that the amount allocated is the maximum, and then it needs no more, so we can just go ahead and exit. Or what was it? Let's quit. Or we can't. Just exit here. and that should be it.